What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Yamo and Steve here from the CommonHype, and we just want to let you guys know before this video gets started. May 1st, we are doing a huge retail rally for 20 pairs of pure slides. The restock pair, Steve just happens.
These are the originals.
Those are the original. Yeah.
It's fine.
Okay. But the restock pair, we're giving 20 pairs away for retail price. What's retail, Steve?
$60.
Really?
60.
So plus tax and shipping, you're probably at $70 all in. So that's a huge steal. So May 1st, 20 pairs of pure slide restock pairs for retail price, and that is going to be exclusively on Whatnot. So if you guys don't have the Whatnot app already, be sure to hit that link down in the description down below in the pinned comment and get 10 bucks off your order, which means you can possibly get them
50 then.
Well,
60, so back down to 60.
Yeah, we are back down to 60 for true retail, but I just want to let you guys know on that. And then April 16th, we will be at New York Got Soul for the event of this month. So lots of stuff happening. Can't wait to show you guys the investment call in this video. Yeah, you don't know it.
Oh, I don't know it?
No, but you will.
Okay.
Yes.
I'll know before you know.
So anyways, Bryson, roll the intro.
Is when we leave.
It's been a while since we've done some unboxings, but I think it's right we actually get some in. Actually, half the stuff I've already paid for. Wow, there's some good stuff in this. First of all, I want to thank my co-owner in Good Chefs, my boy Sam. Hooked it up. Got some pairs he was sitting on. Didn't even know Sam resold. Thought he just gamed all day. But nope, Sam hit me with the list, and I was like, you know what? I can't say no. Hit us with a fat pack of Mummy Dunks in tremendous sizing. There's an 11.5 right here. I also just got a shipment in of 2 size 12s, a 9.5, this 11.5, and then an additional size 11. So I know a ton of people are looking for Mummy Dunks right now. They're incredibly difficult to find, but we've got like half a size run. So if you guys are interested in purchasing these Mummy Dunks, be sure to hit the website. They'll be loaded right away, CommonHypeAZ.com. This is just one of 2 packages. I don't know where the other package is. All right, so here's all of them. Again, half size run. You can shop those CommonHypeAZ.com of Mummy Dunks. So thank you to Sam for that. This package is from a guy named Trey, all the way out in what's MO?
Missouri.
Missouri? Damn. But this appears to be a pack of Onyx slides and just Onyx slides. So we got a full size run of Onyx slides right here. Again, this shoe, it's just an everyday wear. Everybody likes the color black. It's getting hotter now. We're in springtime officially. Q2 has officially started. So I think people are willing to spend a lot of money, and these slides, I think, are just a no-brainer. I feel like it's impossible to lose money on the slides just because locals need them, your girl needs them, your grandma needs them, my girlfriend's dad needs them, and all he wears is New Balances and boots because he does construction all day. So if that's a telltale sign of anything, then so be it. Thank you to Trey for that pack of Onyx slides. Next up, we've got a package from my homie Brandon, aka Cheddar. I don't know if anybody noticed how hard it is to acquire Air Force Ones now, but we got them. CommonHypeAZ.com. You can shop these as well. We've got a size 10, and then we've got actually 2 size 10s right here. So thank you to the homie Cheddar for sending that pack in. A couple more single packages right here. We've got a vintage green, size 7W right here. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comments. I know girls love them. The patent green kind of throws me off a little bit, but other than that, I think it's a very solid shoe. My personal favorite is the vintage navy out of the collection. I just really like the vintage navies, but let me know what you guys think about those. 7W in the vintage greens. Guys, I know your girl's watching this. Buy them for her. She'll say thank you, and you'll tell me thank you later. Supreme Air Force One. These have been really well for us, particularly in wholesale. And speaking of wholesale, I'm actually going to go to the unit here in a bit, and I'm going to tell you guys how we just wholesaled $25,000 worth of inventory to a store who needed a bunch of inventory. And again, if you're a store watching this and you need inventory and you'd like to be put onto our wholesale list, shoot us an email, CommonHypeAZ@gmail.com, and you can be added to that list, and we'll basically share our entire inventory list that's available for wholesale with you. You can choose what you want. Feel free to offer away. And if we come to a deal, we'll get that shipped out directly from CommonHype HQ. Another package in here, 2 Sage foam runners in a size 11 and then a size 6 Sage foam runner. So we've actually seen a lot of these at events. Nobody's selling these for anywhere near a good price. Everybody's basically charging store prices for these, so these are incredibly tough to find at a decent price, but you can shop these again online at CommonHypeAZ.com. Size 11 and size 6 just came in. Sometimes when you buy shoes, people send like this to save on shipping costs. When I buy from overseas, this is what happens. But we did get a fat pack of 2-tone grays in. and we'll be putting those together every single size. This has probably been our top selling shoe in the last 30 days, right, Tom?
Yes, sir.
Top selling dunk in the past 30 days. So telltale sign on anything, I don't know. Maybe. Do with that information with what you will. But we've got basically 3 full-size runs here at the shop, 8 through 13. 2-tone grays. You can shop those available on the website CommonHypeAZ.com. $275. You can't go wrong with them, and they fly for us in store. That concludes today's unboxings. Let's get to the next scene. All right.
Look at this guy.
Steve and I here doing an unboxing together. Now, before we get to the investment call, you know, just got Panda
That wasn't an
Dunks
old
Panda
investment call.
It was.
They're still pretty low right now.
I think they are. They
260s?
They restock all the time, you know. So we got an 8.5 black and white dunk right there, but we got a few DHL packages here. Not entirely sure what I bought.
It happens.
Yeah,
For the rest of us.
We're about to find out. Almost just, okay. Well, this is an interesting box, huh?
All the other ones are like that too.
So these are all the same shoe. Oh my gosh, they're not the same shoe.
What is it?
Okay, all right. Well, they love them so much, right?
Oh, Kermit.
So we call them chlorophyll because on the box they say chlorophyll. White vivid green is the color code, but these are actually called the Kermit the Frog dunks right here.
These are all the same shoes. You lied to us.
Well, those are, but the other boxes are different.
Oh.
So a couple unreleased pairs in here, guys. Wow. This is gonna be fun, actually.
Wait.
You guys are wondering, wow, you first got these and you didn't have my size. I think I should have your size now. 4, 4.5, 6, 6.5, and 7. Almost a full size run of these.
Youth, not
Youth.
women.
That's right, youth.
I have a box for you right there. Boom.
Wow.
Muslim.
Muslin.
Muslim?
Not Muslim. The Muslims have nothing to do with this shoe. Pete.
I thought it was Muslim.
It's the muslin. Size 10 muslins. I like this shoe a lot, Steve.
I like it.
I think it's a great shoe. I love the cream suede. I love the dark gray cement. It's got a dark gray cement bottom with a red bottom.
That's usually easy to clean too, isn't it? I mean, it's easy to get dirty.
It's easy to get dirty, but it might be hard because it's suede, so it may be difficult to
That's
get
not
out.
suede. That's like canvas. I don't think that's.
Yeah, I guess you're not. Yeah.
You left us a note.
Steve just
though.
owned me. Yeah, you're right. I guess it is kind of a canvas.
I
So
know.
it's easier to clean than suede.
If you need to clean your shoes, I know this thing called an essentials kit. A reshoevinator.
Wow.
Yeah, $35. Oh wait, but they get a discount.
But you can get 10% off using our bit.ly link down below, which takes it to
Find out for yourself. Go click the
10% of
link.
35 is 3.5.
3
Yeah,
brushes?
so it's like $32 instead of 35.
And it gives you tutorial videos on which brush to use for what material. Wait, he left a note. At CommonHype, first time doing business with you guys. Hope to do more in the future. Great note. Thanks, Alex. Oh, that's also Kermit's.
Oh, they are Kermit's.
Any new sizes in
Now,
there?
if you didn't see a 5 or 5.5, we got a 5 and 5.5 in here.
The unboxings are really easy when you do all the work for me.
So this is a new dunk. I'm not entirely sure what this dunk is called, but it's the first dunk that has a translucent Nike swoosh on it.
Wow.
I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think they are called the Nike Dunk Low Aura Blue
Aura?
GS.
Aura or Aura?
A-U-R-O-R-A.
It's Aura, I think.
It's Aura?
Yeah, I
Is it
think
Aura?
it's
Aura? Aura?
I don't know. We'll get a spell check.
Anyways, first translucent sole right here. These are GS only, like a sky blue almost. And then again, you have that translucent sole, which we have not seen on a dunk yet, but they're trying to incorporate. You've got a blue bottom with a white midsole. So, I mean, it's not bad.
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about this shoe?
I'm not a huge translucent sole guy.
It's not a sole.
It doesn't matter. Or swoosh guy. I'm just not a translucent guy.
You don't like to be able to see through things?
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
Fair
enough.
Yeah.
So
I'm
you
trying to
don't
be a
like
wizard over
windows?
here.
You don't like windows?
Doesn't even make any sense.
It doesn't have to.
But it doesn't matter what I think because they're only made in grade school sizes. So
That'll fit
let
you.
me know what you guys think of these two early birds down in the comments below. But two great grade school dunks that you just don't see often that we have earlier
I
than
think the
anybody
ladies
else.
will like these.
Alyssa, do you like these?
I don't like the translucent.
See, that's how I feel.
Should just faked it.
But
you like
if
it.
you do, ladies at home, you can shop these.
I like the
CommonHypeAZ.com.
colorway. The colorway's nice.
I like the colorway too,
Yeah.
but the translucent sole, it's a little weird. But ladies, again, men, I know you're watching this with your girl. You're putting her through this misery. Just go, grab a repair. CommonHypeAZ.com.
For a small price of $700.
That's right.
Plus
And
tax and shipping.
that concludes this unboxing. All right, well, Steve and I here, and this is your new investment call. Bryson, roll the intro, if there is one. If not, we're
Wait,
just
you
gonna
just
keep
rolled the
talking.
intro over there.
No, not that intro. The intro, the investment intro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
The
But I
other
don't,
intro.
I don't even know if I have an intro. So if we don't, we're just gonna keep
Make
talking and
one.
go through it.
If you're bored.
Yeah.
We know you're busy over there, Bryson.
We saw a huge restock of the Pure slides, and we just saw a release of the Onyx slides. And I'll help Bryson include two StockX pictures of both of these colorways. and kind of what the price they are right now, and hopefully we see some growth in the next month or so with these. But in my opinion, I really think these are going to go up just because it's a huge summer colorway. It's an everyday wear. As you guys can see, Steve has the first release,
And I beat mine.
and he has beat his. He
You're a
doesn't need
little
another
dirty.
pair. I think everybody here at CommonHype has a pair. Alyssa just picked up a pair, right?
Tommy
did,
just picked up
yes.
a pair of the Onyx too.
Tommy picked up a pair of the
I
Onyx.
love them.
The only person that does not have slides are Bryson and Drew, shockingly.
Yeah.
Anyways, we have some data we want to talk about. So first of all, black Onyx slides. Now we saw some slides restock as well, like the ochres, but this isn't an ochre call. I'm specifically focusing on the pure and Onyx colorways. Now ochres haven't been in high demand, but we saw a dark colorway of slides, and this is a suit colorway. Now these peaked at like 240, 250 in big sizes and small sizes, and then after the Onyx release, they kind of went back down because people just preferred the black over the brown. Nevertheless, still a great colorway. But with the Onyx and pure slides are sitting at right around 160 to 210. Which I think is a really justifiable
that's
price for
not bad.
purchasing. I know stores out in the East Coast sell these for 300, 350 all day long. So I really think this is a great investment call. If you can buy in on the pure restock pair at about 170, maybe max like 180, sit on these for a month or two, really probably 2 to 3 months just until summer. I really think you can make an easy 30 to 40 bucks per pair on these just because they're such in high demand. When we talk with Johnson, we talk about, okay, people have to actually undead stock the shoe in order for.
they do.
And they do. People wear slides and they get dirty real easily. Now you can clean them pretty
They are
easily,
easy to clean, yeah.
but I know some people rotate through them. And
True.
and especially in Arizona, people like myself, slides, we leave them in the car. And in the heat, these slides really, really shrink. Not only do people ruin them, but just by wearing them, but they can also accidentally shrink them just because you leave them in the sun during the summer. So I think this is a great shoe that's gonna go up. The Onyx slide is the first black slide ever. Now, size 11 and 12 right now, they're sitting at like 220 to 240 with size 10 just hitting 200. I think this slide can get up to 300.
Well, for the people like Tommy always wears black.
Right.
And he bought it.
And he did buy
Right
it.
away.
And that's someone who's very picky about the stuff
It
he
is.
wears. So the black Onyx slide is just one of the most wearable colors, and I really see this shoe possibly hitting 300 in the bigger sizes, with the smaller sizes hitting around 250 in a quick flip. So that's really all the explanation that is needed for these slides, other than everybody has them, everybody wears them, and they're a huge in-demand sneaker that sneaker stores like ourselves and sneaker resellers just need huge quantities of because they can't keep them in stock. That concludes today's investment advice. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. If you enjoyed it, just be sure to leave a like. Good Chefs already knew about this because, well,
Good chefs knew before me.
Good Chefs knew before you. Yeah, that's right.
Remember though, it is just advice.
It is.
Don't go spend your savings.
That's right. This is not in Good Chefs. You gotta get it in Good Chefs because they already got this call.
Is there openings?
No, not in this video.
Okay,
Yeah.
well,
He tried.
you can't get in good chefs.
But we just want to say what's up to you and maybe give you a little pop tag, whatever.
You can beat his ass if you want.
Yeah, kick my ass real quick. All right, well, this is going to be for the picture, all right? It's not a weapon. He just disarms me.
Not a weapon, not a weapon.
Yeah. All right, you guys, no introduction needed. The man, the myth, and the legend, we're here with him right now. He's at SneakerCon. So I got to ask, what made you want to come out to SneakerCon today?
SneakerCon brought us out, asked us to come out and help, bring some positive attention to the event. So
Yeah.
we're happy to be here.
All right, sweet.
You got the Balenciagas on, huh?
Yes.
Got the Balenciagas on.
Comfort.
Yeah, exactly.
The most comfortable shoes in the world.
You gotta be comfortable when you're kicking ass, all
Gotta
right?
be.
You know what I'm
Gotta
saying? Number one self-defense mechanism. I just want to run a quick little test here with Brandon, all right?
Okay.
So Brandon comes up to you, he lowballs you, all right? Or let's say you lowball Brandon and you upset him. So a classic, just a classic shove.
Light one though, because he's actually gonna kick your ass.
Yeah, he'll kick your ass.
So the hands are coming in. Yep, you come here.
So you're just redirecting.
Yep, so the hands come in, you come here. And you decide if you want to
Shit,
just
I
get
just
them on the
went this
way.
way.
Yeah, if you want him to eat the
If it's
ground
more
or not.
serious, if it's more serious,
Uh-huh.
you're going to throw here.
Yeah.
If it's more serious, you're going to stuff it here.
I felt that one.
Notice how I volunteered him for this, and I just got the mic on.
But if he's going towards, let's say it's a bad guy going towards the guy I'm protecting.
Okay.
Walk towards him.
Okay.
Come here.
Oh, shit. Bro, just disarmed me by the nose.
And there's no damage. There's no lawsuit.
Yeah.
Court date.
No.
Most important, no lawsuit.
Yeah.
That's right. No court date. Let's say these two guys are fighting.
Yeah.
Grab each other.
Grab each other?
Grab each other. But I want to separate these guys. But I
Yeah.
don't want to hurt them. Grab each other. Yep. Come right here.
Hey, listen, I don't care what you see on the internet. This guy knows what he's talking about, and he just disarmed me with my own nose, all right? Come check him out. Thank you for your time today.
thank you.
We got to get a picture if that's all right.
Absolutely.